How to search creator on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can search for creators on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans and log into your account. You can simply go to its website, which is onlyfans.com, or you can use its app. After you have logged into your OnlyFans account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to search for a creator, tap on the search option that you can see on the top. After that, simply type in the name of the creator that you want to search. As you search for a particular name, you'll find various posts related to that particular creator. So simply look for the creator that you are searching. After you have found one, you can simply tap on their profile and then open their account. Furthermore, you can also search for an OnlyFans creator from another website called as OnlyFinder. So simply go to your browser, then after search for OnlyFinder. After that, open the website. Then after, simply type in the name or the username of the creator. After you search for it, it will show you all the profiles with the same name on the platform. So simply select the profile of the creator that you are looking for. After that, tap on it. After you tap on their profile, it will redirect you to the OnlyFans account and open their profile. So in this way, you can search for a creator on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.